Okay, we're looking at some indices initially here. There's a few bits actually on it, and it's essentially x. You remember root x is the same as x to the power of half, and so we've got a half times 8. So you got x times 4, x to the power 4. Sorry. Okay, pretty straightforward really, if I'm totally honest. Right, next one. Now, on this equation, the horrible looking bit is the divide by 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3 first of all. So every time there's denominators there, I'm going to multiply by them to get rid of them. We don't really want denominators there. So we got 6 plus 4y equals 15 minus 6y. Okay, now I don't want minus 6y. I've got more y's on the left hand side. I've got 10 more y's on the left hand side, so 10 y's equals now 15 take away 6, we get that, so y should be 9/10. Leave it as a fraction. Get in the habit of leaving it as a fraction, to be honest. Alright, so you just got to make sure you balance the sides there. Now with this last part, it says make G the subject. Now unfortunately for you, G appears twice, so what we've got to do is get all the G parts on one side and everything else on the other initially. So that's what I'm going to do first of all. Equals this 3h plus 1. Okay, so I've got all the G parts on one side. Now I need to isolate G. I just want one G in it. I don't want a G equals something involving G. Alright, so I've got to isolate the G, and I do that by factorising. Okay, so I get this 3h plus 1. Now I've got just G G on its own, haven't I? I can just get rid of, so I can divide, sorry, not get rid, because I'm not getting rid of anything. Alright, but there you go. So yeah, when the subject appears more than once, you're going to have to do some factorising essentially. Yeah, it's something to bear in mind, often comes up, so beware.